So you guys showed me that here you started at 6. Why did you start at 6?
Because there was students.
So each group had 6 students. Then, why did you go to 9? What made you go to 9? So she made 3 groups. So does that mean that you just took 6 and you added 3? Because how many kids were in each group?
6.
So if this is one group, does that mean this is then 2 and 3 groups right there?
No.
Or what? So what do we need to skip by then?
Then
What should we do if we start at?
problem
Yeah.
is we don't mix these two up. So we need to count 3 groups and
And 3 groups of what?
3 groups of 6 students.
Okay, so show me what you might do then.
We'll start at 6.
Okay. So there's one group, and then how are you going to count your next group?
Then maybe you can go. If you go down.
Where are you going to go down?
Well, maybe not. Maybe, or we can count.
Okay. And what are you going to count by?
Maybe count by 4s
Why would you count by 4s?
or 2s, I guess.
Why would you count by 2s? How many students are in each group?
6,
So what do you think you might want to count by?
maybe 4,
Why 4?
because it is one. It's faster way.
But is it the right way?
No.
What?
Maybe.
So when you make 3 groups, what are you making 3 groups? How many students are in each group again?
What?
How many students are in each group again?
6.
Do you think that's maybe a clue for what you should count by?
Maybe. Then I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
So how many students are in 2 groups?
12.
Okay, so do we have 3 groups yet?
Maybe
How many groups have you counted so far?
12.
How many groups though?
Oh, 6. No, 3.
You counted the 3 groups already?
No. We.
So let's I'm gonna help you with something. Can I borrow your pencil, buddy? Okay, you started at 6. How many kids are in one group?
3. No. 6.
There's 6. So this is one group. So I'm just gonna put a little 1 right here. Now you counted 6 more, and where did you stop when you counted 6 more? Remember what number you stopped on?
We stopped on 9.
When you counted 6?
No, oh yeah, 12.
Okay. So if this is one group, how many groups is this gonna be?
This is going to be 12. No. 6.
Well, there's 6 people in the group.
Yeah. So, if we count 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 6.
So you just counted 6 kids. What does 6 kids mean? Is that another group?
Yeah. No.
Let's read the question. How many students are in each group?
6.
So you just counted 6 students. Is that a group?
No.
Why not? Why is it not a group?
Oh yeah, it is.
It is a group. So now how many groups have you have? You have one group now. How many groups do you have now after counting another 6?
12.
Okay, let's take a break. And I want to show you something. What if I drew a picture?
Yeah.
How many students would be in this group?
6. 3.
Why 3?
Or 6.
Well, you need to pick one. Look at the question. So this box represents one group of students.
Yeah.
So I want to know how many students I need to put in this group.
I need to put 6.
6, okay. So I'm going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So how many groups do I need to make?
3 groups.
So I'm going to make another group. And then I'm going to make another group.
Then you count
How many students do I need to put in each group?
6.
So
Then
now tell me how many students are in we have in the group.
4, 3. 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, no, 12, 14, 16. No. Because maybe I skipped a number.
About what you should count by to make it faster? How many people is there in a group?
6?
So you can count by 6?
Yes.
Try that.
6.
So there's 6 there. Now how many are going to be here? We count another 6. So 6, then
6.
12. So there we go. So we have 6 here. We now have 12 there. How many are going to be here?
20.
Well, let's count. 12, and then let's count 6 more.
18.
18. So
Answer is
how many students were in the group, in all the groups?
18.
Now, here's where I want to show you something. Now, let's go back. So here you did a great job and you counted to 6, right? Well, then you counted another 6 and you got here. This was our second group. Then we counted another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And
Then
there's
that's
our
18.
third group.
So that's 18.
So yeah. So here's what I want you guys to try. Let's make the question a little different. What if I said there was 4 students in each group and there were still 3 groups? Can you figure that out to tell me how many there are?
If this sound is true.
So can you guys tell me the trouble we were having and how we solved it?
So, if this sounds right?
For that problem, yeah.
Okay, so we did 6 and then we add 3 more.
And what was the problem with that?
It
So we do 3 groups, like 3 pictures of boxes,
Okay.
and then all of them put 6.
So that was the change you made. So if we listen, first they started with 6 and then they just added 3 because those were the numbers up here. And then they realized that doesn't make sense. So then they realized we have 3 groups, and how many people were in each group?
there was
6. So what they chose to do is draw a picture. And how many boxes did you draw?
3.
Why did you draw 3 boxes again?
Because
there
there's
was she put 3 groups.
Yeah, so they drew 3 boxes because there's 3 groups. And then what did you put in each box?
6.
Like 6 tallies, right?
Yeah, 6.
So you put your 6 tallies in, and then after doing that, what did you figure out then? How many students were in all the groups?
18.
There was 18. So this was the discovery that they made, is that when we're working with the skip counting, is that our groups are always the same size. So could we have a group of 6 and a group of 3? Would that work? Are those groups the same size? No. So that was our last one. Now we're going to ask one little question, and you're going to turn to an elbow partner to figure it out. What if there was 4 people in the groups, and we had 4 groups? So 4 groups of 4 people. Turn to your elbow partner and discuss how many people were in there, okay?